ang inyong mainit na pagmamahal, pag-unawa at malasakit na maliparan namin sa kapwa. Ang lahat ng ito'y aming hingin at ipaubaya sa pagmalasakit ng anak na si Panginoong Hesus na nawa.
We will give Mrs. Nicole, the principal from Lion Military School, for her welcome remarks.
Our veterans and supporting supervisors and Erasmo, students, youth representatives for the university, students, good morning. It is not morning to see our videos who at home. It is a great wish when prepared to take them a long way. We have both schools and other schools welcome to our first district junior master again. Happy moving, good morning.
Thank you, ma'am. Now for the grading of status criteria and for the election of status for this morning church for the master year. We will call Mrs. Lisa Ainasari, the principal of Coronado Elementary School.
Hey, good morning.